Hi viewers, I am civil engineer Mazhar Abbas with new topic, and our new topic is how to calculate quantities of cement, sand and aggregate in concrete mix. Viewers, before starting my video, I am requesting you to kindly subscribe my channel. Today we have very important topic that is very important for fresh engineer and also experienced engineer or any engineer that is working on any site. He must know how to calculate the quantities of cement, sand and aggregate. Sometimes we have to prepare concrete on site, and for that we must know the procedure for calculation of cement, sand and aggregates. Viewers, two things are you must know before we move forward. One thing, for calculation of quantities of cement, sand and aggregate, we must know the densities of cement, sand and aggregate, and these densities are calculated and they are constants values. So first of all, we know that formula of density is mass per unit volume, and here we have the values of density of cement. The density of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter, same as for river sand. The sand we use in concrete 1540 kg per cubic meter, and for crush, or in Urdu we can say it bajri, 1940 kg per cubic meter. These are the densities of three materials which are commonly used in concrete. Also, the other thing that engineer must know, two important formula for this purpose. One is dry volume, which is equal to wet volume multiplied by a factor 1.54. Viewers, for calculation of cement, sand and aggregate, we need dry volume, not wet volume. And what is wet volume? If we say 10 cubic meter concrete, the 10 cubic meter concrete is actually its wet volume. Concrete is in wet volume, but for calculation of cement, sand and aggregate, we need dry volume, and for dry volume we have to multiply wet volume with 1.54. It is very easy. And the another thing we must know, the basic formula for calculating quantity of cement, sand and crush is dry volume, which we get from this formula, multiply by its ratio. What is ratio? I will tell you later on. Divided by sum of ratio. I am telling you formula before going to question, so that you keep in mind. Now we move towards our basic question. We will solve today a numerical that will help you in understanding this topic. Our numerical is: calculate the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate for 10 cubic meter concrete with grade M15. We have concrete of 10 cubic meter and the grade of concrete is given 15 M15, mean M15 15 megapascal. So we have to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for this numerical. Friends, here one thing is M15. What does M15 mean? It is the grade of concrete. It is the grade of concrete. And if you do not know or don't have knowledge about grade of concrete, please view my another video which was on grade of concrete. I will put the link of this video in description of this video. So we moved forward. First of all, we will calculate enter data. We have to calculate quantity of cement, quantity of sand and quantity of crush or coarse aggregate, you can say. We have to determine. We have wet volume. I told you earlier, the volume of concrete is actually is wet volume. We have 10 cubic meter wet volume. Another thing we know is grade of concrete, and grade of concrete is M15, and M15 mean 1:2:4. This is very important. You must know about grade of concrete, otherwise you will not able to solve this question. For this, please watch my previous video. So M15 mean 1:2:4. Another thing, we have to calculate dry volume. Dry volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.54, and wet volume is given in our question. Wet volume is 10, so 10 multiplied 1.54, we will get dry volume. So we get dry volume from this system. Now we will move forward. Now we have to calculate the quantity of cement. So quantity of cement is equal to dry volume of cement concrete multiplied by ratio of cement divided by sum of ratio. So dry volume we have calculated 115.4 multiplied by ratio of cement. What is ratio of cement? It will come from grade of concrete. Our grade is M15. It's mean 1:2:4. And here it is cement, it is sand, and it is coarse aggregate. It is the ratio of cement. We will put the ratio of cement here divided by sum of ratio. There are three ratio, 1:2:4, and their sum is 7. We put here, and then we calculate, and the quantity of cement will come 2.2 cubic meter. Sometimes we need quantity of cement in kg or in number of bags, because if we required cement, we will not call our vendor that give me 2.2 cubic meter cement. He will give you in bags. So we know the density of cement. We multiply this volume by density of cement, and density of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter. Here cubic meter cancel, and 2.2 multiply 1440 is equal to 3168 kg. Now we have calculated the quantity of cement in kg, but we know that one bag of cement is equal to 50 kg. We divided by this value by 50 and we get 63.3, yani ki 64 bags. So for 10 cubic meter and grade M15, we must have 64 bags of cement for concrete mix. So now we calculate the quantity of sand. Same, you can do work same as you work for cement. Formula will be same, dry volume multiply ratio of sand divided by sum of ratio. Dry volume we get here. This is dry volume 115.4. We put here. Ratio of sand we will get here. This is ratio of sand 2. We put here. Sum of ratio, we know sum of ratio is 7. We put here. Then we calculate, and 4.4 cubic meter is the volume of sand. And we also know that we must know sand in kgs. So we multiply 4.4 cubic meter with the density of sand, and we know that density of sand is 1540. So we multiply by 1540 kg per cubic meter, and cubic meter cancel by each other. So 4.4 multiply 1550, so it will come 6776 kg. So the quantity of sand is 667 kg. So friends, like that, now we have to calculate the quantity of coarse aggregate in crush. So formula will be remain same. I have less space, so I will try to find here quantity of, I am writing in short, crush. Formula will remain same. What is formula? Dry volume multiply by its ratio divided by sum of ratio. So dry volume was 15.4 and ratio of coarse aggregate is 4 divided by sum of ratio is 7. Don't confuse in ratios. You have ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 4. It is ratio of cement, sand and aggregate. I am working for aggregate, so I will put ratio of aggregate. Then we will calculate it, and it will come like 13440. I think it will come 12.4, I think, cubic meter. So I need in kg, so I will multiply by this by its density, and the density of crush is 1940 kg per cubic meter. Cubic meter cancel by each other, multiply with this 1340 kg. So we get the quantity of crush in kgs. Friends, one thing you must remember, these all calculation were in meters. The unit I use was in meter, and in another video I will do all this calculation in feet, because in some side there we are using feet, and in some side we are using meter. So we must know both. So friends, hope that you understand this, and please subscribe my channel, Civil Engineer Help Desk. This is my channel. Civil Engineer Help Desk. Please subscribe it and like my video. Thank you.